Oh, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have not recorded a video in such a long time. Work has been really busy lately. And there's been a lot. We just had my celebration of life with my dad and things like that. But I have another company that I want to share with you guys. Let me go to my email really quick. I just want to make sure that I say the names right and stuff like that. Get started, guys. So I have a new collaboration, you guys, with this company called Wigs. And I am so impressed with, obviously, the packaging again. It, to me, is gorgeous. Again, with the gold and the black box, and super small and easy to transport, you know, through mail and sitting on your porch or whatever. Let's get started. I'm gonna bring up the camera really close and let's get started. Guys, hey! Wow, I haven't been on here in such a long time. You guys, a new freaking amazing new Wigs, a new brand deal. So excited to share with you guys this hair. Let me further ado open the packaging and show you guys this new hair system. This hair system is absolutely gorgeous. Now, a lot of people have questions about when a first hair system comes in. It does come in a little curly. That's because it's been sitting there. It's probably been sitting in the box for quite some time, you know, in the heat and everything like that. But once you condition it and deep condition it and shampoo it, because that's what I recommend when you have a hair system, you want to do that first. You want to wash and condition your hair system before you get it done like this and cut and things like that. So this hair system is absolutely gorgeous, and a huge shout out to Wigs for this gorgeous locks. I have a couple of things I want to let you guys know. You guys can obviously go right to their website at uniwigs.com or just check out the website right here, and you guys can order your very own hair system because obviously they're iconic. So, let's see here. I want to give you guys a couple hair tips really quick. So basically, it basically says wearing a sun hat to protect the hair and prevent dryness. So wearing your hair with a hat or, you know, when you're out in the sun, it does help from preventing your hair to be dry. Obviously, your hair is not real, quote unquote. So it's very easy to dry out and break and things like that. So if you guys want to keep this very healthy hair from Wigs, definitely listen to the rules that I am about to let you guys know. Warm water when you wash the hair system. That is so important, you guys. When you really need to honestly wash this hair system, you need to use warm water. I like to do cold water and hot water and mix the two together, and it makes it great. You use hot water, that is going to dry your hair out like a Kentucky Fried Chicken basket from KFC, and that's just not cute anymore. So you definitely want to do that for sure. Use salon quality shampoo. I can't stress it enough, y'all. I cannot stress it enough. I'll do a lot more videos on care of hair and stuff like that and show you guys step by step on how I do that. If you guys want that, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, so using a really expensive hair and conditioner and shampoo, I pay myself about $70 for the both. I'll let you guys know again what I use and things like that. If you want to know, let me know in the comments. A lot of customers from this company called Wigs has been told that the hair has dried out and has really felt like hay. A lot of them talked about split ends and things like that regarding the products. And you follow the directions I gave you guys, it's definitely not going to happen. And I recommend this company to you guys. Again, it is called Wigs. It is so cute. You guys definitely need to go check them out. This hair system, let me get the actual digits about it. All right, so I want you guys to know it's a full lace hair system. And what I mean by lace is, you guys, in the hair system, there is a lace. And it's before the hairline shows. It's kind of like a wig. So you have this hair full lace right there. What that stimulates is it's gonna look like it's coming out of my arm. I don't really know if I could actually show you probably on my head to be better. So when it's on your hair like this, and then when I lift it up, look at how it comes out of my head. It's like that gorgeous. Like, hey Lacey, it's Sally Beauty Supply, honey, how are ya? So yeah, it is a lace front hair system. It is in the color #3 brown if you guys are curious on what it looks like, but this is exactly what it looks like. So #3 brown is the hair color to this to the hair system that I did receive, you guys. What is really cool about this company, Wigs, is the fact that you guys can definitely get your hair customed. I let them know that I want a blonde hair system with brown roots. I think it's super sexy and hot. I'll insert a picture right here. That was one I had before, and it was absolutely bombshell galore. I didn't really follow the rules, like with the heat and things like that. Obviously, I went tanning, I went to the beach, I went to, I think it was like Florida, all that shit. So when I did all that, y'all, my hair was fried like crazy. I just want to follow them on their social medias. It's definitely for Instagram at uniwigs.menhairsystems. Yeah, I really hope you guys do love this new hair system that I did receive. I can't wait to show you guys pictures of it when it is completely done. After this video is done, I'm going to be going to the salon and getting a new hair system because this one's about to be like flapping, like lapping, dropping it. But yeah, I really love it. I actually went a #1 on the sides of my hair. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. But I think it looks really, really cute. But yeah, so I just wanted to come on here, guys, and let you guys know about this new company that I'm absolutely in love with. And this is where I'm getting my hair systems from. I'm getting them from Wigs and also from La Vivid, obviously. My two top favorite brands of this moment. If there's any other brands out there that wanted me to check out their products, definitely let me know in the comments below, or feel free to DM me on Instagram, Twitter at @TheBryanBreeze, or do the business email at thebryanbreeze@gmail.com. And yeah, like I always say in all my videos, do not let me breeze you all the way. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you guys are interested in my content. I'm not really serious about you guys if you subscribe or not. I just adore you guys for watching my videos and getting to know me personally and what I go through in my life on a daily basis with a hair system. And obviously, I read all my comments, you guys, because they go right to my cell phone, which is iconic and legendary. So leave all the comments as much as you want. Let me know if you guys have any questions about anything that you guys really need answered. I will definitely do that for you. And what else could we do? I'm also thinking about maybe in the future, when I get really popular up on here about the hair stuff and all the hair products, I would love to do a free hair system giveaway. So stay tuned for that. So make sure you guys follow all my socials to get updates on that and stuff like that. Am I missing anything else? Oh yeah, before I let you guys go really quick, I just want to give a little couple shout outs to these gorgeous products that I did order. Walker's Tape C22 Solvent. This is going to obviously get rid of the glue and things like that. We will have a more depth in each individual product for you guys when I start getting really active up on my YouTube channel. Walker's Tape Ultra Hold. Walker's Tape is my #1 go-to. And then we have my Toupee, whatever these are called. They're like the stickers or whatever the case may be, but we'll get in more details with those as well. I want to kind of make like lengthy videos, but I don't want to make them too lengthy, but I want to make them very specifically to one thing. I feel like a lot of my videos lately have been scatterbrained to everything in one, where I could make like 5 or 7 videos out of that one video. So I want to really try to get real organized with this hair stuff because it's really becoming a huge hit. And I just want to thank you guys so much for believing in me and, again, watching my content and always being there for me. And like I always say in all my videos, this time, do not let Wigs breeze you all away. Bye, guys.